How old am I? I am 21. No, I'm not 21. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the get to know me tag, with this being my first YouTube video. You know, I just felt like it was the right thing to do. So anyways, let's get into the video. First, my name is Joanna, but I do go by JuJu, so you know, call me whatever. Second question, if I'm looking down, it's because all my questions are on my phone. But anyway, second question is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color, right now I would have to say is like mauve or like a pink, but it's like a really neutral pink. Like, I'm really into it. Growing up, it was always blues and turquoise and different things like that, but I feel like the older I get, the more girly I'm turning. I don't know why, but I am. Next question, what was my favorite subject in school? It was definitely math, because it was just the easiest class for me. So in algebra, I would be in there on my phone just chilling, because I already knew what was going on. Pay attention the first day, you get it all down. So math was always my favorite. How old am I? I am 21. No, I'm not 21. So I am 22 years old as of December. When's my birthday? It is December 5th. And yes, I'm a Sag, baby. What? What's my favorite scent right now? Right now, it would have to be Peach Bellini. I think is what it's called at Bath and Body Works. It's one of their candles. It smells so good, and they're super strong. So when I'm burning it like in my living room, I literally smell it in my bedroom. Like, I live in an apartment, but still, like, it smells so good. It makes your whole house smell good. Next question, am I single or taken? Right now, I am definitely taken, in a happy relationship with my honey bun, which y'all will get to meet him soon. Last question is, why did you decide to do YouTube? I just love doing YouTube. I've always, you know, kind of played around with myself in the mirror and just pretend that I'm recording a video, and this has been for years now. Like, I would just be in the bathroom, like, okay, doing hair tutorials by myself with no camera, doing makeup tutorials. So I definitely just always had a love and a passion for YouTube, so I just think now is the time to do it. But anyways, yes guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you put them down below. I did do my hair, so if you want any tutorials on lace frontals, or you know, just making the wig itself, or makeup, I did my face today, beat by JuJu, you know. But anyways, why am I so extra? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Have a good one.